Here I have LYF Flame 8 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's choose here the phone's dialer and let me show you the secret code. So let's use this code *#06#, and as you can see, IMEI number just pops up in front of you. Now you can check out also the serial number and IMEI number by using the settings. So let's use the apps icon, choose here settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and select here about phone. So here you can tap status, and in status you can find the serial number and the SIM status. In SIM status you can choose IMEI number right here. Alright, so that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.